Welcome students. Today we are discussing about ME 3393 manufacturing process in unit number 3, topic rolling process. The types of rolling mill according to the number of arrangement of rollers, it will be classified into 7 types: 2 high rolling mill, 3 high rolling mill, 4 high rolling mill, tandem rolling mill, cluster rolling mill, planetary rolling mill, and universal rolling. In two high rolling mill, it consists of two heavy horizontal rollers placed exactly one over other. The space between the two rollers can be adjusted by resisting or aiding in the upper roller, where the position of the roller will be fixed. Lower roll is fixed. Both the roller rotate in the opposite direction, like a diagram. In this type, the desired direction of rotation is fixed and cannot be reversed. There is another type of two-high rolling mill incorporated a drive mechanism that can reverse the rotation direction of the roll. And second one, the three-high rolling mill. It consists of three high rolling position directly one over other. The direction of rotation of the upper and lower rolls are same, but the intermediate roll rotate in the opposite direction. Like second one, in three roll reverse continuously in the same feed direction, and they are never reversed. And next one, four high rolling. It consists of four horizontal rollers, two of smaller diameter and two of higher diameter, arranged directly one over the other. The large diameter rollers are called as backup rolls, and they are used to prevent the deflection of the smaller roller, which overrise should result thickness of roll plate or sheet at the center. The smaller diameter rolls called as working roller. The common product of three mills are hot or cold rolled sheet and plate. The tandem rolling mill. It is a set of two or three stand of roll set in parallel alignment. These facilities continuous pass through each one successively without change of direction of the metal or phase in the rolling process from the field. And cluster rolling mill. It is a special type of four high of rolling mill. In this, each of two working roll is backed up by two or more of the large backup roller. For rolling hard, thin materials, it is necessary to employ work roll of very small diameter but of considerable length. And last one, planetary rolling mill. For the rolling arrangement required large reduction, a number of free rotating wheels are used instead in single small rolls. Like diagram, the planetary rolling consists of a pair of heavy backup rollers surrounded by a large number of planetary rollers. The main feature of this mill is that it reduces hot slab to cold strip in the single pass. The higher diameter to reduce very thin section is a very important one for the planetary rolling. The maximum area will be cross section area will be reduced and length will be increased. In universal rolling mill, In this type of rolling mill, the metal will be reduced both horizontal and vertical rolling itself. The four types of rollers will be using. The two roller will be using the horizontal plane and the two roller will be using the vertical plane. Both direction using the same time. So the universal rolling mill will be reduced both the side, the horizontal side and the vertical side. Both the side will be reduced the material cross section and reduce the area of cross section in the billet, and to reduce the cross section and increase the length. And forging. The forging is the process shaping heated metal by the applying sudden blows. The forging may be done hand or machine. The forging by machine involved the use of die and punch itself. In forging is used in a hand forging, it means using anvil and a hammer. In the forging process will be classified in the hot forging, cold forging, impact forging, pressure forging, open die forging, closed die forging. In open die forging, two flat die will be using like lower and upper die, and lower die will be in a fixed one and upper die will be in a mobile one. The moving die will be applying either hydraulic force to applying force, the gradually increase, otherwise the mechanical loader. The workpiece will be placed lower and upper die intermediate, and upper die will be applied the force sudden blows. It will be reduce the cross section of intermediate workpiece itself. And the closed die forging process having a two type, flashless and flash type. The flashless type, it means the billet material cross section will be reduced like appropriate size of our required condition. The flash type closed die forging, it means some excess material will be form a small flash like a diagram. Okay. In open die forging process, having a different types, fillering, edging. In the fillering, it means reduce the cross section and distribute the metal in a workpiece in preparation for subsequent shape. Forging is performed with a die or concave surface. Edging is the metal will be forming fillering operation from that convex type itself. And coggings, the metal will be reduced the cross section like slab type. Here also having lower and upper die. Here also the lower die will be fixed and upper die will be moving on. And closed die forging, here also using a two die, lower and upper die. Upper die will be applying force and lower die will be in a fixed one. The billet material will be loaded, intermediate the lower and upper die, and it will be applied the force with the help of external supporting. The exact shape and size of material will be find for the closed die forging process. Thank you.